Hey guys, just a very quick tutorial. A community member here asked me, because he's struggling to achieve this shape and form, how to create that. And yeah, I just tried it out and it's pretty simple. And I think it looks really, really cool. I love that very minimalistic, smooth design. I thought I will record a very quick YouTube video for you. AS, I don't know your name. Yeah, I got this result here, almost exactly the same. It's, as I said, pretty simple. So let's go here to import, append that image, make a screenshot if you want to follow along. First of all, bring that image a little bit back and select it, press M, bring it to the front and make it a little bit transparent. And try to bring it here somewhere to the middle so we have to guess. So yeah, so this left side here on the left and the right, approximately the same. And now it's pretty simple. So our Mr. Unknown tried it with lofting circles, but I think it's much easier if you just create control point curve and create one shape here on the left and then just revolve it around. So create Shift F and let's go here from the bottom and just go along our form here. Perfect. Right click to confirm. Yeah, my pen tablet is buggy here with Plasticity. And just take those points here and adjust a little bit to the form. So yeah, something like that. And now just take this curve and go here to revolve and go here to the origin and just drag that here to the top. And right click or press OK. And boom, we have, yeah, this cool shape here. And now we just have to bring everything in form. So first of all, hide this curve. We will need it in a second. And also let's create the body. So select that sheet and here patch holes. So it will create the solid. And now, again, very simple. So first of all, let's take this edge here and just give it a very nice, juicy, thick fillet to give it here a nice form. So yeah, you can adjust it, but yeah, this is fine for now. And now let's create here this really cool cut. Very simple, Shift F again and start somewhere here and just follow along that shape and maybe go here. Yeah. So right click and again, just adjust it a little bit. And yeah, it's a little bit hard to see all of those points. Yeah, if it's hard to see the points, just select that curve and with G, just bring it here to the front. Because if you go to the front view and press 1, then bam, you see all of your points very clearly. So yeah, this, I think for now it's okay. And now just select our new curve, press C and cut this whole body. And now we don't need this piece here on the top. So delete it and we have something like that. Really cool. And now we want to create, so let's hide this curve or unhide all and hide this curve because we will need this again. We have to, yeah, create basically again the same shape. So we just take this curve that we've already created and again revolve, go snap here to the center origin and drag that up, press OK, select that sheet and again make it patch holes so it's a body. And now just scale that a little bit. So SS. And just scale that and bring that here. So if you press G, just bring it a little bit back here to that edge. So you have here a little bit of a distance and maybe SS a tiny bit smaller. Maybe that's too small. And again, G and just bring that, yeah, kind of here. So you see it's touching basically here. We will fix everything, this intersection in a second. And here we have the distance. So exactly as here. So here you see we have a nice fillet and it's intersecting, but here we have a distance. So that's almost it. And now what we have to do is, first of all, let's cut this body here. So press OK and select that curve H to hide it. And now let's cut it. So Shift A and just create a normal cut. So from somewhere here to somewhere here, right click, press C, cut again this body. It's selected, press C and delete it. Cool. So now we have to hollow this solid Again, very simple. Select 3 face mode, select that face. And because it's a body and it's not complex, we can just hollow that, very simple. So go here to hollow solid. Bam, beautifully. It goes absolutely beautifully, you see. So we have this thickness here. So we can just attach it to glass material and everything looks fine. And we have still some stuff to do. So you see here on that image, it's a little bit tilted. So very, very simple. Again, face mode. Select this face here and press R. And just here, you can just drag that a little bit here. Maybe that's a little bit too strong. And you don't have to cut anything. And you don't have to do crazy stuff. Here you see, you can perfectly adjust that. So you have a little bit, of a cool angle. And now, but you see we have a problem. So we have this body here on the bottom and this body here, and they are just intersecting. So it doesn't make any sense. And super simple, like we did in our bottle tutorial. So select this body, shift click this outer body, Q for Boolean operation, and here you have shift Q slice. So it will just slice it and press OK and select this body, hide it for now. And you see we have that thing here in the middle where it's intersecting, and basically we can just delete it. And if we press shift H again, we have again our body here on the top, and we can just give it a glass material, maybe even extend it or something, so it's go a little bit down. So, but that's perfectly fine. And now also you see it's a really hole, so we can add something, a light or I don't know, electronics, what you like. And let's do now, so let's hide that image. And now what we can do is let's hide that middle piece and just give some really beautiful cool fillets. And also I think we have one more extra body. So let's hide that and here select this inner piece and delete it. So you see we have here one extra piece. So let's delete it and Alt H. You see now it makes really sense, and we can here give nice fillet and it looks beautiful. Maybe we can extend this piece a little bit. So select that, shift H and select that face. And just extend it a tiny bit and Alt H. And I think this is really cool. So now let's give it here some fillets. So let me hide those curves in that image. So select this body, hide it, and select this curve and give it a little bit of fillet. But you see, if we give here a little bit of fillet, it takes a lot of away. But here it's very thin. So let's go here, give it a bigger fillet. And now V add variable point. So press V and just go here to that edge. And also here again to the middle. Perfect. So now you see we have 2 points. And that's really cool. So now let's really zoom in and really make this fillet just a very, 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 very tiny, small. So you see, it's very small here, but on the other side, it's going bigger. So exactly as we here have. So I think here it's super thin, but here it's a little bit bigger. I think that's just aesthetic. So that's a really cool trick. Press OK. And let's do the same here. So select that fillet and give it a little bit of, so select that edge, give it a little bit of a fillet. But here it's fine. Or maybe if you want, you can give here also a little bit of a variation, but I think for me it's fine here. Press OK, Alt H, and let me hide those curves and give here and here again a little fillet. Honestly, I think if we go here to the front view and we show that image, it looks exactly the same. And yeah, if you enjoyed the tutorial, you can join our group here and ask questions. Yeah, we are super very active, and you can join very simple. If you just click first link description, you go here to my homepage, you can get a huge free beginner course where we create this Apple Watch here, and you can just sign up and you will automatically join also our community. We are over 500 members, 20 are online right now. You have discount codes. Yeah, you have very active members. I give a lot of advice. Other people are super helpful. Check that out. First link in the description, and see you in the next video where I will show you how to create a really cool bottle and use very similar techniques. So have a nice day. Bye.